The walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive.
So guys, I had to change my pot because the other one was leaking out water. I don't know. So here is our rice.
Put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. 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 I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright.
So far, I just added 2 of this to the rice. So I'm cooking 4 cups of rice. So I just added 2 cubes of mangi. Yeah. So this is going to mix. So we are just going to cover and allow it to cook. Because I'm not going to be using meat stock, guys. I just want it to be natural as possible. I just need that coconut taste, like the coconut flavor from the rice. So far, while our rice is cooking, I'm going to be steaming some chicken. So I have 2 seasoning cube. This little seasoning cube. So I'm going to be adding some onions, some salt, some curry powder, and also some thyme. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it to cook before we add the water later. I really don't need much water from it, so depending on how much water it produces. So I'm going to cover and allow it to cook. So guys, in here I have some chicken. Yeah, I have some chicken and some beef. The beef is not much. Yeah. So this is what we are going to be eating our rice with. And I don't know if I mentioned it here. I'm making Easter. Alright, Easter lunch. So guys, our rice is ready. This is what it's looking like. Yeah, it looks beautiful already. So guys, our chicken is ready. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm just going to pop this in the oven and while I start frying my veggies. Yum yum. So far, for the veggies, we are going to be using coconut oil. Yeah, it's coconut fried rice, so everything have to be coconuts. I'm going to be using some mixed veggies. Yeah. So this is the mixed veggies that I'm using. Yeah, it's already cooked, so I'm just going to stir fry it a little bit. This is another change of pot. The fry pan was just too little, so I had to change it. So I'm going to be adding more veggies here. I think this is enough because the The veggies are not actually the target, the coconut is the target. Okay, we want to have that coconut taste in our rice here. So guys, I already added Maggi to my rice, so I'm just going to add this little one. It's half to my veggies. You guys know I would have preferred to add the liquid seasoning, but I don't have liquid seasoning anymore, so I just have to make do with what I have. So a little bit of salt. So guys, I'm also going to be adding some spring onions here. Look at that, looking beautiful. So I'm just adding more dried ones. These ones are dried, they are oven dried. And then again, some onions. So I'll be adding more coconut oil because it seems like it's not enough. So guys, I'm going to be adding some scotch bonnet for a little bit of spiciness. You can skip this part though if you don't want. So guys, our rice is ready. This is exactly what it's looking like. Super beautiful. So I'm going to repeat this step with all of the rice and then we are good to go. Just take a look at that, guys. Super delicious. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe if you're just coming across this channel for the first time. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.